Hello ladies and gentlemen, and today we gonna continue programming our VPN head.com website. Today we're gonna build the page for article submission. Because we're lazy, we're gonna ask ChatGPT to help us with this task. Just a reminder, this is the website that we are building. It has very simple design, but that's intentional design. We don't wanna anything special, big. This what we did last. We created small login screen with a secret username and secret password, and that's the message that our password is too unsafe. But we're lazy. And this is admin dashboard, and right here we're gonna install probably a link for now that will link to the page where we're gonna create the articles. And let's begin. So first of all, let's create okay, so let's create a file. Let's create pages. Let's create a page with the file article editor JSX. I asked ChatGPT to create a code for me for a simple page that will accept string and put it into the MySQL database. That the putting itself will be done by the backend, which is Java. This is React JavaScript code. So right here we have to change our Cloudinary. I see the name. I don't have any idea what is that. This is a standard state case, then value. Okay, so right here, this will mean second paragraph. So we're gonna use this as a paragraph divider. Okay, this one uses Axios, which is good, but I have to change other files to use Axios. It's a library for fetching and posting information between frontend and backend. It's very simple code, very simple page, but I don't need anything ultra difficult to understand or to work. Later on we can improve our design. Right now, let's my idea is to the website is already on the internet. Let's see if it's still running. It's on my VPS server, vpnhead.com. Yes, it's working fine. So this is older version, this is first version. It doesn't have the administration panel, and our new version already has administration panel. And mistake. Okay, so let's see. So right here we have already article page. We need to change a couple pieces of information here, and then we need to add this to JSX probably. So it can route to this page. So we could open import article editor. Yes, article editor. Okay, now we have imported article editor page. Now let's, okay, it does everything for us, very good. No, I don't need more routes for now. I don't know what's happening here. Okay, good. Now I need to do a couple other things. So I will have to figure out okay, so let me add some kind of link from article admin dashboard. Okay, here is the admin dashboard. I will add a simple link here for now. Import link. Okay, it feels what I want. And then let me copy this. It will be right in the middle, but I guess who cares? Why it has editor here? It shouldn't have editor here. No. Oh. Okay, article editor. Will it work? I don't know. Let's try. Let's go to the front, which is not working now. Internal error. Doesn't see anything about the internal error. npm run dev. Failed to resolve import Axios. Article editor does not exist. Pages. Okay. Here. Article editor dot JSX. Pages. Source. It's here. Maybe I need to import here. Import. Do I? Probably not. It's not. It's. how does it do different other routings? Let me open a home page and see. I don't have a link here. Where I have link? In header I have a link. Link admin login. Okay. So I need this part. The error was about something else though. I'm importing this file here. And this is correct root. But then it says Axios. Okay, let's check with the ChatGPT what's the issue is here. Article other Axios, okay. So I have issue article editor Axios. It does not understand what Axios is. Okay, Axios is a library of helper methods that help for information to be sent back and forth. So I probably did not install it. Let's install it. Let's quit this React and let's install Axios. Okay, it installed. Yeah, I gave two commands here. It installed with the first command, and second command was for different systems, so it did not work. But the Axios is installed now, and let's go to npm run dev. Let's go. It works. Okay, so we have working code. Now let's try admin. What is the link? Why we don't have link? So article editor is fixed. Oh, we don't have anything here. Create new article. Oh, okay, wonderful. It's very ugly, but who cares for now? First P, second P, third P. We have 3 paragraphs. has that weird functionality showing here how it will look like, which is fine, I guess. That's the first version. Okay, how about, can we so I am just testing the code, looking how can we, okay, insert image, select paragraph. Can I insert image? What image can I insert? Let's go to documents. My picture's not here. DaVinci will have some images now. Okay, I know where I have images. I have images right here. Here. Java. Okay. No files to choose. So it's semi-working. Now if I'll hit submit article, it will not submit article, it's not connected to my database. Yes, submit. So this part is not really working. This part looks like it's working. But let's connect to the database and to other APIs and see how. For now, it's very basic, but I don't really care. It's fine. Not sure what. It's kind of weird design. It gives me it works. We'll work on the improving the design later, but for now our main goal is to make it work, and later we can improve it. Okay, so now this part works, this part works. How about connecting to the back end? For now, let's put on the GitHub. Let's commit with the message created article edit page, commit and push. Okay, now it's on the cloud. Let's go to our controller, which already has create article. Okay. What we need now is to change it to different code. I'm thinking what should be the endpoint for this. It has to be admin endpoint. Let's leave create article as is. This doesn't do anything. It's only for something in my backend as a placeholder, more or less. let's do this here. Okay, let me copy code from the last research. So I don't have the repository yet. Let's put this on admin. Save articles. Save article. I don't even have DTO. Article DTO. I have article DTO. How does it look like? Title, content, image. Okay. I have a repository. Article repository. Okay, it's not here. Okay, I see what's the issue here. I need article repository to I need to inject. Article repository. Let's add to the constructor right here. Okay, the error is gone. Let's see if we can reuse the DTO here that we have. So it will ask me to change the DTO here. Okay, well, I can do that. That's interesting because it will. Okay, yeah. So I need definitely I need to change my I need to change React file, and I need to change the React file because article editor. Because here we go. Because it has article title and I think author and everything else. Let's see if we can take a look now. Okay, yeah, we have different style. Title, featured image, we can choose the same image. I'm not sure if it works. I wanna install this and then I'll test it when it will be working. Okay, So we have React file semi-working, we have backend semi-working. Let's change the backend to this, ladies and gentlemen. I'm not sure how it will work with the security. I think security will block this endpoint. We'll need to do some changes. Okay, so first of all, let's see if it works now. With the backend and the database. And later we'll replace this. This is for picture upload. So let's reboot the backend. And now let's open the main page. Let's log in. Let's go to create article, title, and I'll make this a little bit bigger later. Let's have some text. How about now? Okay, so it shows me here. Submit article. Failed to submit article. Very good. Any idea why? For some reason it's not. Let's see. Cannot send information to the back end. So that's my ChatGPT. Okay. Let's see what it will tell me. Okay. Yep. Okay. That is the deep hole that we'll need to deal with. So for now, the security is blocking that endpoint. For now, we'll do this. Instead of authenticated, we'll put permit all, so it will let all traffic through, which is very unsecure, but in this case, for our testing and development purpose, is good enough. So I changed from authenticated to permit all, so now it should allow all the traffic from the internet to go to that endpoint. Let's go back. If I'll put wrong password, what will happen now? Even though it changed to permit all. Title, and then let me put some kind of text. I'll grab from here. Failed to submit article. Now what? Now the fun begin. Access error. See. Let's see if it's the same message or not. So what I did, okay, so our fix worked, except this page does not exist now. So it went to this URL, it accessed it and said, you don't know what you're talking about. So let's take a look at the code. Security config, let's close it down. Aha, I see what's the problem. So I have admin here already. So I don't need this admin. I have two admins. Okay. Let's go back. Let's log in. Create new article. Third time is the charm, hopefully. Submit. Ha! Nope, third time is not the charm. Why? Maybe these things are interfering with our lives. Let's inspect console access. Okay, so now we have third type of error. We have 400s for 404. Now we have 500 error. What is 500 error? Okay, so now we got even deeper into our backend. Every time we fix error, we get deeper and deeper, which is good, except it's still not the bottom. We need to reach the bottom. So this is the error right here. Okay, that's SQL error. Let's copy from here to here. And beautiful, our friend ChatGPT will tell us what's wrong. Title cannot be null. Okay, we're sending null as a title. So we have title here. Article entity. Okay, confirm the article entity. Let's go and see how our article looks like. Article is right here. Let's give the ChatGPT entire article. title or outer content. It gives me I don't like this message here. It doesn't fix your controller. Okay, let me give it the my controller, and we'll see what it will produce. Here is not sending title or author. Yep. Okay, yeah. It sends DTO article and that's it. Now we're gonna send article and this is static is fine for now. Okay, let's take a look at our changes here. Let's replace this with this. Let's restart. It restarted. Let's go back here. Let's go back to the main page. Let's log in. Title. And right here. Let's copy paste something. And let's hope it will work. Great, article submitted. Okay, now question, do we have that article in our database, and will it display, for example, in the library? Yes, it's right here. So it grabs this our fake article from the database and displays on the page in front end. Great, so it accomplished what we planned to accomplish, except we have to, of course, change the design, and I will change this I'll add token functionality to this login screen, so you don't need to enter password every time you want to access this page. But this is ugly for now. We're gonna change it to more beautified but simple version. And what it does, it accepts article title, the picture functionality we're gonna do it later, and then we can write article right here, and then when we click submit article, it sends it to the database. So what we did in our backend, we didn't do anything in those two files. So in admin controller, we added this back the method endpoint save article. It gets article information from the front end, from the React file. It checks for nulls If information is missing, it will respond with a bad message. If everything is good, then it creates article. It sets title to that article. It sets content of the article. It puts admin as a name of the article author. We can use my name. And then it saves article to the database. Basically, it sends to article repository. An article repository is right here. The Spring Boot does all the work, so it grabs it and it sends to the database. And we have everything done on the database. And also today we created this file. Well, we created idea, mostly was done by ChatGPT, but it lots of boilerplate code, and later we will have to change it anyway, so let's leave it as is. But basically what it does, this is the file upload functionality, which we did not test yet, and because we did not connect to the Cloudinary. Everything else, this is also the image stuff. We're gonna work on this next time. And this Axios sends information, text and images to the endpoint. And here we have the visual that we have, the ugly visual that we have. We will replace many things next time. Thank you very much. Have a good day.